Batch printer labeling, filling and capping machine. Fill the bottle with the desired liquid using the digital filling machine. Press the pedal to start the filling process. Its compact design saves space and makes it ideal for small and medium-scale setups. Seal the bottle cap using the manual bottle capping machine. Place the capping head on the bottle cap. Press the switch to start the capping process. The machine delivers precise and uniform results at every stage, ensuring high product quality. Apply your company label on the bottle using the manual label applicator machine. It is designed with simple controls, making it easy to use even for non-technical users. Once labeled, use the batch printer to print the batch code on the bottle. Set the batch code on the printer and press the button to print it accurately following the given method. This combo machine provides a complete packaging solution, handling filling, capping, labeling, and batch printing efficiently.